Hello, this is Captain Brett, Motorsport Dynamics International, and today we're looking at a 2002 Ford Excursion 7.3 liter diesel 4x4 with only 106,000 original miles. Amazing. Not too many of these available anymore, of course, I'm sure you know. This one is black with the tan trim, in beautiful shape. Looks really clean. We bought this from a private seller down here in Florida, and they took some great care of it. Inside, super clean. Power seats and automatic headlights. Got the rear air and compass up top. This is the Limited. 6 CD, 4x4 on the dash. Adjustable pedals, brake controller built in. Go. Super clean rear seats. Third row. Very clean. All right, here in the trunk. If you're looking at this video right now and you're an interested buyer, please know that we do have this truck available locally and online for sale. If you're interested, please pick up the phone and call me right now. 954-258-2700. Direct phone call or text is the best way to get a hold of me. We've got shipping available anywhere in the United States. If you're interested in a quote, please let me know. I can provide that to you with just a few moments notice. Try to pop the hood here. A little difficult with one hand, bear with me. Getting better. All right. Super clean engine bay. healthy engine, 0 blow-by. The Ford Excursion with the 1,000,000-mile motor, legendary, right here, can be yours, delivered to your doorstep. Let me know. I've been doing this 12 years, and I'd love to earn your business. 954-258-2700. Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to speaking with you soon.